Got this fan to repair. It's one of those shaded pole fans, so I stripped out most of it already. Opened it up, and as you can see, shaded pole motor. I've never seen a shaded pole motor with this number of connections. Interesting approach. The two wires in the back there where they've crimped on. Right. Strangely, that's neutral. That's live. Yes. Who knows which part in the world this is made from? This is made in China. Yes, so theoretically 120 volts AC, 60 hertz, 0.6 amps, thermally protected. So that seems to be the whole problem here. This is the normal fan control switch, and what it had was 4 wires joined on there, off and 3 speeds. And of that here, I have that recorded, but I can't remember it off the top of my head. I think it was blue then red on one side, and then gray and yellow on the other side. Turns out I wasn't getting conductivity between this blue and that blue, and I suspected there was supposed to be a link between them, because that's all that makes sense. Live comes back to live on the switch. It was connected on the switch, and then it feeds to 3 different coils. These coils all connect to the black, that neutral, and they have different resistances. So different taps on coils. One is 29 ohms, next one's 39, and next one's 50. So that sort of makes sense. The 3 speeds, the 3 different taps on the coils. Now I've opened it, I think this is why the blue doesn't go across to the blue. 2 blue wires come in here. This is burnt. That was supposed to be the thermal protection, I assume. It overheated. Now the question is, what is it? Number 2, can I take it out without damaging the coils? Number 3, is it really needed? Can I just bypass it? So we will try to take it off. I'm not seeing a single number or any kind of information on this. We will try to take it off. We'll see if it is feasible to take off without damaging the coils, or maybe I just leave it there, cut the blue, bypass it, and see what happens. Well, it turns out it does work without the thermal protection. As you can see, not bad. Not too sure if it's the safest thing, but hey, it works.